Hey everyone, it's Sean and Vince from Stock Mortgage, and we're back with another market minutes for you. So I know the last few weeks we've had a lot of volatility in the market, a lot of volatility with rates. Vince, what are some of the things that we're looking at this week to focus on?
Yeah, so as we've been talking about the past few weeks was the debt ceiling, right? This is finally behind us. So they finally came to an agreement, signed this bill into play. So that's going to help the investors navigate the market a little bit clearer. This Thursday, the jobless claims report's coming out. So last time their forecast was a little bit off. This time around, they're forecasting around 236,000 jobless claims. So we're going to see how that plays out over the next couple of days, see how that's going to affect the interest rates. And then next week is when the big report comes out, which is the CPI data. That's the consumer price index. This report's going to be a big factor on whether or not the Fed decides to do another rate hike. So what are we looking at here for, forecast wise over the next couple of weeks, John?
Yeah, so again, back to the chart on the right, like we've talked about, right? Right now you're seeing it's gone a little bit up here the last few days, which is, again, kind of what we've been experiencing. We've had a couple of days of ups, a couple of days of downs. Again, still some volatility because we really don't have a firm idea what the market's going to do as of next week. So next week's going to be one of the big weeks for us where we get some actual ideas on, hey, is there going to be another rate hike? Are they going to pause the rate hikes? And if they do so, we might see some relief in the interest rate. So realistically, short-term forecast, if you need to lock it in, lock in your loan. If you've got 15, 30, 45, 60 days, float cautiously, watch the rate, make sure you're talking to your loan officers. But most importantly, if you are under contract or you are trying to get pre-approved for a loan, make sure you reach out to us. We can show you kind of what's going on, give you an idea of what the market is, help you identify when it's a good time to ride your rate lock or actually lock your loan. So if you have any questions always, please feel free to give us a shout at 586-371-6104. Always catch us online at stockmortgage.com.
And check us out every Tuesday for